Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and this is my paper crafting challenge for March 2018. And my paper crafting is scrapbooking layouts. I have wanted for many years just to get all of my pictures that I have accumulated over the last 30 years and get them in albums instead of in boxes. So that is why I am participating in the paper crafting challenge that was put on by GWiz65. And this is my March layouts that I would like to share with you. And as I've said before, I am very minimal in what I put on my pages. I basically do it to show off the picture and have a few embellishments and things like that, but I do not do a great deal of decorating on my pages. So the first one is this one, and this one is called Best in Show. And this story is one year, this was 1996, I decided I wanted to enter a cat show, enter my cat in some cat shows, just to have the experience and see what it was like. I was intrigued by them. And so my cat was no specific breed. It was a gray mackerel tabby. It was just a household cat. So I entered the household part of it, the household pet part. And this right here is my son. And right there is my cat. Like you had to decorate your cage and all of this, so that's why that's like decorated around. And anyway, he went through a weekend of competition, and here he is over here, and he won Best Household Cat. And this was done from the Fiesta City Cat Club, and this was held in Santa Barbara, California on October 28th, 1996. So I wanted to document that. I was really happy that he had did so well. And Pierre is no longer with us. He passed in 2005. So I just used some stickers. I need to start writing down what I use because I don't know what it is. And here's some thickers down here. I put Best in Show. These are just Dollar Tree. I do know that. They're just Dollar Tree stickers. Up here, I put his name up here. And yeah, I have my writing, my journaling spot right there. But this is called Best in Show. And we only did this, I think, I only went to a couple of shows because it was not my thing. And I don't think my cat was really enjoying it. And I didn't want to put him through something that he did not enjoy. So I got out of doing that. But it was an experience and I learned a lot from it. Okay, the next one that I want to show is called Jake the Bird. And this is my son, my oldest son, and this is Jake. And this was taken in 2005. And my son bought himself this bird. I think it's a conure, a green-winged conure or something like that. I'm not sure what it is. Some of you might know. But yeah, Jason, that's my oldest son, he loved this bird. And so I took a picture of him spending some time with the bird. and thought I would go ahead and document that. And then here he is in his cage. When he wanted out, he would jump on the side of the cage like that. And so I found this paper. It had the bird on it. I just thought that was appropriate. I didn't have much to do with the embellishment that way. I put a ribbon behind, knotted it up here, put a ribbon going all the way down, put some paper, Halloween paper behind it, and put the Halloween paper up here, and put Jake's name up there, and then the journaling spot down here, and backed it with light brown cardstock. So that is Jake the bird and my son. So there's that one. And the last one that I want to show is my brother and his wife. They were here visiting almost 2 years ago, I think. And they stayed in Santa Barbara, which is about an hour from us, on the beach. And this is some pictures of them when they came to visit. And these are just, I think this is Dollar Tree up here, this sticker. So I used that. I just cut cardstock, put behind. Cardstock down here. These are all Dollar Tree buttons down here. I just cut out little cardstock and stuff for the journaling spot. These are Mamba stickers that are on here. This one, this one, this one. But yeah, this is, we had dinner with them on the night before they were going to go back. He lives in Colorado. He owns a pet store in Lakewood. And so he's very, very busy with all that. It was so good to see them. So there's that one. So that is my paper crafting scrapbooking for March. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and I will try to remember to write down what I use. I am so really unfamiliar with doing these, layouts, and I forget to tell what I'm using and stuff. But I'm just showing you one more time. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will be back next month with 3 more layouts. When I get my album full, I will do a flip through of the album so you can go back and see what I have created since I've started doing this. And anyway, once again, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you will come back for the next scrapbooking segment. And until next time, have a great day.